Marty, what are you trying to tell Mummy? What do you want? Show me. What is it? Show me. Marty, what is it? What? What are you trying to tell me? I know exactly what you're trying to tell me. You want me to fill up your ball, don't you? Well, where is it? Where's your ball? The ball is over here. I'm trying to relax after a long day. And Marty is trying to get my attention by huffing at me, by nudging the ball into my shoulder to say, Mummy, I want the ball. Yes, you do. Where is it then? Show me the ball. Show me. Marty, show me the ball. What? Where is it? What do you want? Are you being a silly puppy? What then? Show me then. Go on in. Show me. Okay. We'll go and fill up your ball. Say bye to everybody. Bye-bye.